Welcome to Uneatly Tae Christmas 2020, providing you with lots of holiday cheer with DIYs, home decor, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you like these type of videos, you're in the right place. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will always know when I upload my latest video. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. In today's video, I am the co-host of a collab, and our host is Glam Queen of DIY, and the other fabulous hosts are Glamour Ellen, Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie, and At Home with Mary J.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter one.
Let me tell you a little bit about my table and the theme that I was going for. I'm really into the buffalo check this year, and I wanted to go with the cabin look since the actual tablescape has to be outside. So I am pretty much doing a rustic, vintage cabin table decor look for this tablescape. And I really love how the buffalo check and the little red truck really pulls all of that together. Make sure you show all the ladies of this collaboration lots of love. Go to their channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for having me in this collab, Miss Mary, and also my big sis Tammy. I really appreciate you. Thank you. Special thank yous to Ellen of Glamour Ellen, Miss Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me. I really appreciate you ladies. And make sure you go check out the playlist. There are going to be lots of creative tables and gorgeous Christmas themed tables to come. So I'll have all of that linked down in my description box.
There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver white. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Take me away, Christmas Day.
Feeling